The Merlin Entertainments Group. In 2022, Legoland will be debuting Lego Ferrari Build and Race, an interactive, hands-on experience in which guests will be able to build their own sports car models and then race them against other participants. There will be opportunities to build and race both physical and digital models. In 2021, the park opened a new land, the Lego Movie World. Based on the popular, and very funny, movie series, the land features 3 new attractions. The highlight, Emmet's Flying Adventure Ride, is a flying theater attraction, think Disney's Soarin', that transports passengers into the Lego movie landscape. There is also the Drop Tower Ride, Unikitty's Disco Drop, and Queen Watevra's Carousel. Guests can also visit Emmet's Super Suite and meet characters from the movies, have fun in Benny's Playship playground, and snap together creations using Lego bricks and build whatever you want to build.